Welcome to the video on how to profit with AI, specifically focusing on 11 real ways to make money using ChatGPT images. You could potentially earn up to $1,000 per week. The game has changed. Modern AI can now generate perfect text and consistent characters, meaning you don't need graphic design skills to create incredible visual. Our first method is digital workbooks. Generate stunning, high-converting covers and infographics for digital PDFs. Pro tip: boost perceived value with testimonials before you even write the book. Next, use AI-generated guides as free lead magnets to build a massive email list. The return on investment is huge, as you can repeatedly sell to this audience via email. The third way is faceless social media. Generate surreal visual stories and carousel posts. Pair high-retention AI visuals with text hooks to drive affiliate sales or ad revenue. You can offer custom pet portraits. Turn customer photos into premium oil paintings in seconds. Fulfill orders by connecting to print-on-demand dropshippers, so you never handle the physical product. Number 5 is selling motivational printables. These are instant download wall art with integrated typography. Increase your average order value by bundling 10 to 15 themed quotes together. Next, offer thumbnails and covers as a service. Creators desperately need clickable artwork. Use AI to generate custom assets quickly and charge premium rates for 24-hour delivery. You can also create children's storybooks. Maintain strict character consistency across multiple scenes by locking in character traits in your prompt. Publish fully illustrated books directly to self-publishing platforms. Number 8 is selling clip art bundles. Generate individual elements like florals, borders, or textures, and remove the backgrounds. Find trending styles using data and create massive 40-piece bundles for crafters. Create activity books and flashcards. These include matching games, coloring pages, and vocabulary cards. Parents and teachers buy these digital files repeatedly for seasonal holidays and learning modules. Consider custom icon licensing. Generate unique, text-integrated assets for digital marketers and bloggers. Reach out to major content creators and offer custom, copyright-free icon bundles tailored to their brand colors. The final method is the AI design agency. Combine AI generation with human curation for enterprise clients. Charge $5,000, $25,000 for rapid brand identity and UI/UX prototyping. Sell the business outcome, not just the images. Pick your battleground. Passive income includes printables, clip art, and workbooks, which are high volume and low price. Active income includes agency, freelance, and licensing, which are low volume and high ticket. Commit to one method for 6 months. The only mistake is waiting. Success in AI requires showing up daily. Dedicate 1 hour every day to prompt generation and asset uploading. Start your digital empire today.